Okay.
Ready?
Tom, are you ready?
Yeah.
See how excited he is, ladies and gentlemen? Tom's real excited about this. He'd rather go back to the house and rest. Anyway, hopefully the lawnmower, well, it's not the lawnmower. We're located right next to a landing strip, and that was a 727 that was trying to get ready for takeoff. So anyway, I'm going to put Tom on the camera, and we're going to install this on the driveway side. Okay. Here we go, Tom.
That is?
That's all you got to do, buddy. Yes.
Oh.
Alright, here again the screwdriver here. Get the little latches down. Oh yeah, Tom told me that he said, why do you need to pull your belly in? So, trying to walk and talk and pull the belly in at the same time is a little hard to do. Okay. Remove this right shutter, same way we did on the other side. This might be a little sticky. Again, this is top right driveway. That's the driveway. Okay, this. Alright. Now the reason why I take the shutters off is because it's a little bit lighter to carry. So I figured why I took them off. I mean, I can leave them on there and then pop them in place and then I'm finished. But because Chris or Tony may not be as strong as their pop, that's the reason why I made it work. Does that make sense, Tom?
Mm-hmm.
Say yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tom's all excited about this. You can tell. Alright, here we go. Whoa! Here we go.
I probably can't see a damn thing out here.
But because of the sun,
you know?
it's taken.
I guess.
Alright, same way as here. Let's sit her down. Gotta get her lined up here. Get the bottom in. Alright. Get the bottom in. Get the bottom in. Whoops. Doing, doing. That's Chinese music. Alright. So here we go. Here we go. Alright, looks like we're going to go on this side first. Hopefully this is going to go. In, oh, stomach's in. Did you get that, Tom?
Yeah, you got it.
My hat. I lost my hat. So anyway, that's how that goes. I'm not going to put the shutters in, but this is how you're going to take it off. We're just going to leave those over there because I want this to stay off. We'll leave the front off. So you go in here, taking these off. Pull out, thumb, finger, thumb, finger, and then take the shutters off and store them here accordingly. Then when you put them up here, so you don't get them all out of proportion, just go ahead and put this back in like this. Have them stacked up like that. Top right driveway. Here. And there we go. And take the screwdriver, hang it right back here. So, Tom, you want me to be the cameraman and you be the installer?
No. Here.
Okay.
No. That's not. There you go. Scratch yourself.
I can't do that. My grandchildren are watching this. right, thank you. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Say bye, Tom.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Tom.
Bye-bye.
All right.
Yeah.